I bet you didn't know that English was a gendered language. If English belongs to the West and the Western world is so concerned with gender representations, why are there no gendered nouns in English? Well, there used to be. But before we answer this question, we need to understand the difference between natural genders and grammatical genders. Natural gender is the actual gender of a person, animal, or character, whereas the grammatical gender is a way of categorizing nouns. Some languages have only male and female, whereas some languages have a neutral gender, and some languages even have different genders for animate and inanimate objects. English used to be a gendered language too. It had gender nouns. But English speakers stopped categorizing genders in their speech by the Middle English period. English still has three genders, which are categorized by pronouns he, she, and it. If we go back to around 5th to 11th century, we'll notice that English had three gendered nouns in that era as well. That is because English is a Germanic language, and the German language has three genders: male, female, and neutral. But in contemporary English, most things, even people, are referred to as a single neutral entity rather than classifying what their gender is. So the question that rises here is that why did English lose its gender nouns? There are two theories for this. First is the pronunciation pattern. To specify the gender of an object, Old English used to add a sound at the end of the word. But gradually, English speakers started stressing on the initial syllable of the word, which made the last syllable almost entirely unnoticeable. The second theory supports that when Vikings settled in England, they had a vast effect on English. Their language was much similar to English, but it differed by the ending of the words, aka gender representation. For example, two similar languages are spoken in an area and the word is same, but one has the final syllable as a and one has the final syllable as e. So when both languages require mutual communication, they are going to omit the final syllables a and e, and the word is going to remain intact. So this is how the noun remained intact, but the gender representation is lost.